Okay, so one of the things that is important in your ESD control program is calibration of most electronics that you use. Some of these things can be calibrated at the bench. Others may need to be removed from the bench, and still others may be required to be sent back to the factory. Depends on how complicated the particular setup is. For this particular monitor and for all of the DESCO wave distortion continuous monitors, there is a tester that you can own if you so desire. Or if you're working with a calibration lab, they can purchase one. But it is fairly straightforward. If you look at this device, it's just a matter of getting it plugged in, and this dial here, once you're plugged in correctly, will indicate the different passes and fails. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is the operator test, which is very simple. On this device, there are 3 leads. One is a green wire. It's going to go to ground. One is a white wire. This is going to be used to test the mat circuit, because this monitor also monitors the connection of the mat to ground. And then the black wire is the operator test. So if we take again this dial, and you'll see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 settings, sorry about that, for the operator: a fail low, a pass high, and a fail high. So we're going to plug this in to our monitor, and immediately you may notice that the operator light went green. Let's see if we can get I'm going to slide this over a little bit so you can see this. So right now we're not even in the operator test circuit, okay? So let's do this. Let's slide this back a little bit. See if we can get it all in the picture here for just a second. Okay, close enough. So we're going to take this dial all the way to operator fail low, and you'll notice the monitor is saying that there's a fail condition. If you flip to the next one is pass low, got a green light, that's good. We go to the next one, is pass high. You can see that right there, pass high. And the last one is the red, which is fail high. So that completely tests the wrist strap circuit. You're good to go for that. Now we've got to test the mat circuit. So the mat circuit is from the bottom of this device. You're going to have to remove it from the bench. This device just snaps to your mat. It's quite convenient for people who want some kind of portable situation, or even just a monitor but not spend a ton of money. So we have snapped the white wire with the attached double stack snapping situation that DESCO sends you with the monitor. This is a banana plug, so you can do other monitors, test other monitors with this, not just this one. So they send you all the hardware you would need. Alright, so same thing's going to happen here, only this time if you looked at the instructions, there's only 2 tests you have to do, and they're over here. 500 meg pass, 500 meg fail. Those are the only 2 tests you have to do, and you'll notice right now I'm on 500 pass and I got all green lights. If I switch to 500 fail. It'll take just a second. Maybe I should take my hands off of it. It will show that the work surface is failing. You shouldn't be touching this thing nor allowing any of the snaps to touch a grounded mat. So I kind of got it set it up on the side. You can hold it up in the air, whatever you want to do while you're operating with it. But yeah, that is all you need to do to test. See, the snap started hitting the mat, so it got a ground, and then it will no longer beep, even though the tester is plugged in. So you have to be careful with that. That's pretty much it. The operator cord, if you leave it plugged in, you don't get all the alarms, but you can unplug it if that bothers you. The instructions don't really say either way, but to keep it from beeping, if you unplug this and you give it a moment, it will stop beeping, and then you can do your mat test. But as you saw, it doesn't really, let's pick that up again, doesn't really matter whether the operator cord is in or not. It's still going to, so that's hot, that's fail, that's pass, that's fail. Okay, that's all there is to it. Piece of cake. Desco calibration unit. The calibration unit also needs to be calibrated. So you got to make sure that you send this back to Desco at least once a year, near the calibration date that's on your sticker, and have them recalibrate it. It has to go to the factory for recalibration. And what you'll do is contact customer service at Desco, and they'll give you a return authorization paperwork. You'll send that in with the monitor. They'll give you a price up front, and then if anything changes on the price, they'll let you know that before they do the work. When you're calibrating monitors, regardless of which one it is, this calibrator will work for most all Desco monitors and SCS monitors, and some other brands as well. Keeping in mind that when you're testing, you got a white wire for mat ground, a black wire for the wrist strap circuit, and this green wire has to be connected to electrical ground. And when you calibrate these things, you're going to want to have your own calibration sticker, where it is on this one. Here we go. And you want to put a new calibration sticker on here, and you can buy these through your electrical supply places, eBay, whatever. But you're going to want to have some stickers to put over this sticker in case of an audit. You have right on the unit when you calibrated it and all that good stuff. It's very important for in case of audits. Auditors will be looking for that. And then the other thing is you want to have Technical Bulletin 3074 version September 2020. You need to download that and have a copy of that for reference. It has the instructions just as we went over in this video. That's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email, text, or call me. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you at the next video. Thank you.